Okay, so hello guys. Today we talk about selector in CSS. What are the selector and how we use this? So basically, in simple language, selector is the when you are select the paragraph or particular element and style that element or your paragraph or something. Okay, so there are the three main type, and first is your element selector, class selector, and ID selector. So like suppose that you are define the paragraph in your web page and you want to style that paragraph. So you simple select that p tag, which is your selector, and define the property, and you are define the value. So like here basic syntax p you are a selector and color property and you, below is the value. So similarly, if you are using like a div tag and you are defined over there a class, uh, okay, and then you want to style that particular segment. So you simply use the here dot and then class name and then your property and then your value. Okay. Similarly, if you are using a ID, then use here a as and p, whatever your ID you are take over there. Okay. So these are the basic uh, selector. Okay, so in coming videos we will see the in practically how we use this. Also, we will cover the chain selector and group selector also. Okay, so I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, like, share, and subscribe channel. Thanks for watching the video.